Hey, what's up everyone? Today we will be opening up a Disney Lorcana structure deck. Now let's get into it. I'm excited to be opening up this Disney set finally. Haven't been able to find it around me around my area, I should say, until a few days ago. So I decided to pick up two of the structure decks. Now let's see what comes inside. We have the structure deck, a pack, which is cool, and then the rules and a playmat or something. Let's open up the pack first. We have out of my first ever pack of Disney Lorcana, Minnie Mouse, Beloved Princess, Friends on the Other Side, Megara, Pulling the Strings. I'm not sure or haven't seen a lot of Disney stuff, so I might be messing up some of these names. Flounder, Voice of Reason, Sergeant Tibbs, Courageous Cat, Cerebus, Three-Headed Dog, Beast, Hard-Headed, Captain, Colonel's Lieutenant, Befuddle, Zeus, God of Lightning, Sword of Truth. I have no idea how to say that. Trainer of Heroes. And then this card. And this was like the holographic looking one. And now the deck has, once I open it, it's interesting how they wrap these in like paper instead of plastic. We have Ariel on human legs, ×2. Moana of however you say that. Mickey Mouse, Wayward Sorcerer. Cinderella, Gentle and Kind, ×2. Hades, Lord of the Underworld, my bad. Hee or Hi Boat Snack, ×2. They are stuck together. Maximus, Relentless Pursuer, ×2. Mickey Mouse, True Friend, ×3. Minnie Mouse, Beloved Princess, ×3. Snitch, New Dog, ×3. Be Our Guest, ×2. Control Your Temper, ×2. Hakuna Matata, ×2. Part of Your World, Dingle Hopper, ×3. Dr. Facilier, another Dr. Facilier, I hope I'm saying that right. Float Sam, Jafar, ×2. Another Jet Sam. Magic Broom, Maleficent, Olaf times 3, Pascal, Rafiki, I don't know how to say that. So we'll just move on. The wardrobe. I'm not even gonna attempt to say that. Friends on the other side. And that's everything out of that structure deck. That was interesting for the first product I've opened, but all the cards do look pretty cool. And hopefully I'm able to open up more in the future, and hopefully it goes down in price some. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you next time.